I am be lucky to have fallen in love with my best friend. I love you, darling. I love you more than I did yesterday, but not more than I will tomorrow when I meet you. You were my best friend, but the more I saw you smile, the deeper I feel in love with you. You showed me that true happiness is having a person by your side who expects you in all your moods, stays through all your ups and downs, and never lets you go, regardless of the hardships. I love you and I will do so for the rest of my life. When someone asks me what love is for me, I'll take your name because no person could have described it better. You are love for me, the world to me, everything within. I hope you know that I love you. You are the sunshine that fades all the darkness in my life. You are my road to redemption. I have never loved someone so deeply than you. I love you more than I can see. Nothing can ever change my love. You are you. Us love each day as if there was no tomorrow, because today is the day I have found you are the one that I want to be with from here on out. There are miles between me and you. I don't know whether to break up or not. Tell your past have your past are long. I will walk with you as long as locality contains me. I was lost a places and broken before you came around. Meeting you was saving grace, but knowing you are a life changer. If I spend every second for eternity writing about you, I could still not describe how amusing you are. Words alone are not enough to describe how much I love you. Are the greatest friend, partner, and confidant any could have in my heart of hearts. I know that whatever I do is going to have integrate, and I am going to work really hard, and I know that fans are going to take it to it. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. I am not here to be perfect. I am here to be really. I am still searching for a woman that is willing to love and take care of my kids as their mother. If you are that woman, say I have. Your love is like a gently breeze in a sunny day, refreshing my spirit and filling my heart with joy. You inspire me to be a better person every single day, and for that I am internally grateful. Being with love is you is like a breath of fresh air. Your unwearying fight and passion for loving inspire me to never give up. I am so lucky to have you as Queen. How do I look at? Let me know, and thanks for your supporting my applications to my all fans. out there. My Allah keep you all. Spending time with you is the highlight of my day. I love you deeply. You make me feel weak in the knees when you touch me. I love you. A glance at you are glowing smile brings me instant joy on my worst day. My day ends best when I see you smile. Stay safe tonight and always. I love you so much. I cannot explain it even if I tried. Just know you are loved. I want to kiss every inch of you. You are my everything.